Alright guys, so we're pulling up to the fucking second location right here at Ross. We got the people out here like, what's going on?
All our fans.
We got a fan, Auto fans. Hey, appreciate you guys. Thank you, lady. We're pulling up to the second location. We got the fucking beautiful ass GTR over here, guys.
Hey, right there.
Oh, Mr. Camaro, man. What's up, buddy? Shooting flames?
Getting pulled over.
I got you. I got you getting pulled over. I got you shooting flames. We got the wet ass Camaro, guys, right here, bagged as fuck. We got the AA Auto Squad right here. The Beamer.
I'm gonna move a bit. I'm gonna move up a bit.
Glow stick power, baby. Let's go. Second location, guys, and we're already packed as fuck.
That motherfucker pull on the other side.
The killer right here, SD Killer. Hey. Boosted as fuck, guys. Mustang getting wild already, guys. The only SS out here, guys. Only SS out here, guys. Fucking putting in work. I got my sensor when I say bad words. Oh, fuck! The U-Haul's back! Chinga su madre, he's back! Alright guys, so we're out here at A Auto right now, second location. It's cracking as fuck. I got my sensor from when I say bad words. But yeah, it's lit as fuck right now, guys. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang, baby. Let's go, let's go. He's still celebrating Christmas. He don't give a fuck. We're out here, guys. We're fucking out here. Woohoo! What kind of is that? What the fuck? That guy inside is on the phone. He's like, I'm burning out and I'm on the fucking phone. Yeah, he is. Hey, I cursed too much, fool, so now I got myself a sensor. I cursed way too much, fool. Hey, we out here. Yep, we out here. We out here. Uh-oh, the U-Haul's back. For only $19.99, guys, you could be doing this shit too.
Hey, that's right.
What the fuck? Hey, what do you think about A Auto so far?
This shit's lit right
Lit as
now.
fuck, what do you think?
This is
Beyond lit, huh?
homie.
Stupid lit,
I'm
huh?
fucking
Lit,
lit,
huh?
homie. Come on.
We out here, we out here.
Live. You already know, baby.
Oh fuck, look at his lights, they change and so does this. Matches his lights. We're out here at the A Auto. They're doing bi-weekly stuff now, so it's like everybody's been waiting for this shit and so far it's a big ass outcome. We're out here, second location burnt now. We got the cops already here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 cops here, guys. So we're on our way to the fucking third location. Let's go. We're about to take a red light, so I'm gonna become a cop right now. Let's go. Put it on the rooftop. Look like a straight cop. Alright, so we were doing so many fucking burnouts that the fucking fire department came again. This is the second time this happens, guys. They think it's a fire because of all the smoke the burnouts cause. You're alright, dude. You're good. You're good. Yeah, you're good.
Shit, I'm like,
Hey, no, get out, dude. Get out. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Fuck. Hey. Alright, so we're out here, guys. Accident just happened like a few seconds ago. This thing's leaking all kinds of fluid and shit.
Well, goodbye G35.
Yeah, goodbye. GTR next. GTR.
All of this is still intact. Look at that. It's just fucking this. It's still good.
Yeah. Let's get a little GTR action right here.
Thanks, bro.
Hey, you got it, buddy. Beautiful that GTR. I love this color too. Matches the Beamer. Hey.
What happened to your buddy's car?
Damn, this guy came fancy as fuck to the meets. Look at this guy. Wow. Straight from work?
What's up, bro?
Oh, if any car breaks down, you got him. You got him. AutoZone guy. Hey. Hey, this is the second time we got another big rig coming up, but we're gonna let him pass right now. Almost everybody got hit right there in the middle. We got a drone wire. Let me see what you got. Let me see. Let me see. What is this?
I don't know.
We got one of the drone's eyeball right here. We got another big ready. the cops be coming in packs of 2 lately, look. Oh, they got the K9 unit inside, fuck. We're lit out here, guys. K9 unit and everything. Hey, where we going?
TJ.
There you go. Next one chases in TJ. He already got the modelo and everything.
Modelo.
That's right. That's right. And we got another fucking big truck right here.